What's up everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your subscription on Google Play. That's if you are subscribed to a service or an app, you bought an app with a subscription on Google Play and you wish to cancel this subscription. So if you wish to do it on your Android phone or tablet, you can first open the Google Play Store and then make sure you are signed in with your Google account. Under the menu in the Google Play Store, click on subscriptions, and then it'll give you a list with the apps you are subscribed to. Select the subscription or the app that you want to cancel the subscription, and then it'll give you the option to cancel the subscription, and finally follow the instructions to cancel this subscription and it'll not be renewed. If you wish to do it on the PC or on the browser, go to play.google.com on the browser on your computer and sign in with your Google account. At the left, click on My Subscriptions and also check the subscription that you want to cancel, and then click on Manage and Cancel Subscription. And if it asks for a confirmation pop-up, click Yes, and the subscription to this app or service will be cancelled.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.